So I hope over the collection of videos that we've gone through that you have a good handle on what a calculated column is. Basically, we create a new column and we use DAX to create results and show them in our tables. We're about to leave calculated columns and have a look at what they call measures, which is the other thing that DAX is very good at. But what's going to happen when we create measures is we're going to end up with a lot of information showing in the internet sales table. And so what's good practice is sometimes to put all your columns literally into a folder called columns so they can be easily differentiated from measures. I'm going to ask you to go to the model view on the left hand side, and I want you to click the fact internet sales table. And what I then want to do is see the fields pane, so expand that. And I'm just going to collapse customers and collapse sales territory and temperature. And here's my fact internet sales. I'm going to click the first column and then I'm going to scroll down and shift click the last column. Don't choose fact product inventory, the last column. So these are the things that are indented under fact internet sales. With that range of columns chosen, I'm then going to open up the properties pane. And I'm going to go into the display folder field and I'm literally going to type columns. These are columns and press enter. What happens is now I can collapse the columns group, and under internet sales I have all my columns now sitting in here, which I can expand and collapse. And that's going to make it easy to differentiate between what is actually a column and what is actually a measure, which is what will be coming up shortly. I'll close this, or collapse I should say, and go back to my data view. I'm also going to save my Power BI file because I haven't done that for a while.